Protea Financial. It is Tuesday, March 12th, 2024. It is officially episode 13. As a reminder, my goal was 52 episodes, so we're getting in there now. We're getting in there, episode 13, and I want to thank everybody who's taken some time to listen, interact. I really do appreciate it. I've been overwhelmed by the support I've received for this, and I can just be thankful. I'm just a regular old guy jumping on a YouTube stream once a week, most of the time just sort of talking to myself, hoping for the best, hoping for somebody to be paying attention, and you guys have, and I'm very thankful for that. Today's episode is going to be a little self-indulgent. We're not going to really talk about business. We're not really going to talk about accounting, though we will touch on business and we will touch on accounting. But March 2024 is a special month for me. It is a special month for Protea. It is the month that we celebrate 10 years of business. I need to sort of say that again pretty slowly, mostly for myself. But March 2024, we are celebrating 10 years in business. In March 2024, we are celebrating 10 years of helping business leaders be more successful by taking away the burden of their accounting from their daily work. We're celebrating 10 years of giving people back their time to focus on what's important to them, be that their business, be that their family, be that their health, by taking away a task that most people hate to do, and that's their bookkeeping and accounting. I am absolutely shocked that it is March 2024 and I'm talking about owning a wine accounting business for 10 years. If you spoke to me in 2013, there is no ways I would have told you that my goal next year will be to start an accounting business, grow a practice, and be able to help as many people as we do. It was the furthest thing from my mind. At the start of the year, I was actually working in a job that I really loved. I was fast tracking my way through a business by working extremely hard. I was living a great life in Somerset West in South Africa. Both myself and my wife had an amazing job. And a short phone call, followed by an 8-minute conversation between the two of us, changed our lives forever. Candace was offered a job in the United States of America to come through to California to be a CFO for a winery, consulting, and investment business. We had nothing tying us back. We said, why not? Let's go try it out. Fast forward a few months. I moved to the US after her. She had settled in. I eventually took up a position in January 14. And after a few months, we realized, well, that position might not be the most sustainable for me. But there is this opportunity that we do need help for the businesses we're working with to help do their accounting, get it into better format, better shape, better quality, so that we can make some forecasts and projections, help this business improve. Would you be interested in taking on this opportunity? I said, why not? And sitting on a chair in my now business partner's lounge in his apartment, we came up with the concept of hiring people in South Africa. As Americans, they loved South African accountants. Worked hard, were smart, dedicated, were able to get the job done. I thought, why not use the time zone difference? Get things done a little bit quicker. Get things done while I'm sleeping. And the concept of Protea started. We started with one client, one little client in March 2014. And here we are in March 2024 with over 180 clients, 40 team members on 2 continents. We have our US office where there's 8 of us. Back in South Africa, there are 32 people. It blows my mind that through the hard work and dedication of an amazing team, we've been able to grow this from nothing to a business that is providing what I believe is a great place to work. We've grown this into a business that is able to help so many people, so many small business owners, so many small winery owners have better information, better controls, faster information, so that they can have the information to be able to run that business just a little bit more successfully. We've been able to provide people with peace of mind and clarity to be able to succeed. I am so thankful to my wonderful team, all the ones that are currently employed with us, and everybody that's worked with us in the past. You are amazing. I appreciate everything you do on a daily basis. And I'm so excited to continue to provide a great place to work for you guys for the foreseeable future. Our clients are so thankful for the hard work you put in. We make a difference on a daily basis. I know a lot of you will think this is just accounting. It's not life saving. And it might not be. But a lot of the time, it is dream saving. People have a dream of running their own business, and we're able to provide them with the information to give them a better chance to be successful. And if that is not fulfilling, then I don't know what is. I'm very, very thankful to all our clients that have put trust in us. I mean, back in 2014, the idea of a remote bookkeeping business, absurd. Who does that? Where's your office? Are you going to come to my business? Crazy, right? Obviously, the world's changed a lot and it's a lot more normal to be fully remote nowadays. But it wasn't the case in 2014. When I was out there looking at the market, there was nobody that I could say that's the blueprint. I had to figure it out along the way. It was also crazy to hire people in another country. And not just through a third party. We started a company in South Africa. We hired people in South Africa. This is always an important point for everybody. They're not just people in South Africa. They are Protea. They just happen to be in a different time zone. Our team makes a difference, and I'm thankful for our clients for allowing us the opportunity to make a difference. It's not always easy, it's not always perfect, but we always work hard for you guys, and we appreciate all the positive feedback we get from you. For all those people out there that have supported us over the last 10 years, CPAs, attorneys, insurance agents, business consultants, other accounting firms, outsourced CFOs, outsourced CEOs, thank you. None of this would be possible without you either. I'm a big believer in collaboration, and I refer accounting work to other accountants all the time. I try connect my clients with good people all the time. And believe it or not, I give out my competitors' names on a weekly basis. The goal is to help people, and being able to know all of you, work with all of you, and have this support of all of you makes a big difference in my life, my team's life, and our clients' life. So I want to thank you very, very much. Tonight, I will be getting on an airplane. I'll be traveling through Heathrow down to Johannesburg, through to Port Elizabeth. I'm not going to attempt the new Port Elizabeth name. I will just butcher it. And I'll be able to spend some days with our wonderful team in South Africa. We'll get some face-to-face time, some good quality meetings, some good opportunities to connect, and most importantly, on Friday night, we'll get together to celebrate. Opportunity, people let their hair down, spend some time with the team, connect with their peers, and just celebrate being Protea. I'm really excited for the opportunity to visit everybody, see everybody, spend time with everybody. Bonus, I get to see my family as well that's in South Africa, which will be great. My mom, my stepdad, my brother, my sister in law, my niece, and my nephew. Going to be fantastic. I look forward to seeing them. It's going to be a fun trip. I'm looking forward to the opportunity to connect with the team and celebrate with the team. March was also another big moment for us because, again, me being self indulgent, we launched Protea Conversations. Protea Conversations is our new podcast. In 2021, we decided we wanted to share leadership stories with the masses. And we reached out to people that we know, some of our clients, and said, would you mind doing this written interview for us? We've got 6 or 7 standardized questions. Answer them however you like. We'll put it out there and we'll highlight your business. We'll highlight you as a leader and we'll put out these lessons and hopefully it'll help people improve. Protea Conversations, the written interview, was very successful. Lots of people loved it. And pretty much from the beginning, people asked me, so when are you going to do these interviews as recordings? When will you start the podcast? And I was extremely hesitant. But through motivation from peers, through a conversation with another accountant, I just decided, as that sign right over there says, just start. And I decided, let's go for it. I'm going to reach out to some people I trust, some people I care about, some people that have been good to me, but good to our company, and supported me through the years and said, let's get this going. Let's do these interviews. Let's go live. And as of right now, I've recorded about 11. The first one went out. So thank you, Andrea Christensen. I appreciate you being my first person to be able to share the story with. And there's so many more good stories coming from. I'm going to sort of split my time between conversations with accountants, especially interesting stories on how they got into their career or how they changed their career, and about half my time speaking to other business leaders. A lot of them will be local out here in, Northern California, people that could definitely help my clients that I work with on a daily basis. And I'm super proud to be able to share their stories. Every single one of these conversations I've had is absolutely amazing. And I've walked away a better person because of these conversations. And I would really love some support. If you head over, you're watching this on YouTube right now, or if you're on Spotify, go to YouTube, search Protea Conversations, find the channel, subscribe, hit that notification button, and catch the new episodes. Watch them, listen to them, share your thoughts about the journeys and the lessons that these wonderful leaders have taken the time out of their busy schedules to share with us. It is truly amazing. And I'm very, very thankful. I'm very, very proud of Protea Conversations. And like I said, today is self-indulgent and I'm just sitting in awe. I'm just really, really proud of what we've been able to achieve at Protea. I'm really excited for the future. I'm very excited for my sort of role change as well and go from very much client focused to very much team dynamic focused, grow the business, make sure the business is sustainable focused. And I feel like I've got a lot of excitement for everything that is to come in the future. March 2024 is an opportunity to celebrate, and I thought I would take the time to share that with you all today. I'm sorry if it's not the normal content. I know it's not super helpful, but I thought it would be okay. And again, thank you, team, for being able to do this for us. Thank you, Ali Preston, Angelique Weitz, Anzel Stratum, Ashley Niffen, Brendan Lane, Candace Stevens, Catherine Levy, Cheryl Young, Cindy DeLange, Danielle Duprea, Danielle Pretorius, Eloise Bontes, Francis Pratt, Janet Kingston, Jason Wilson, Jayshree Parbu, Jennifer Sohoria, Jessica Foslu, Jose Portillo, Lauren Peters, Linda Blendon, Megan August, Megan Nelms, Megan Stain, Melanie Nell, Michelle Bossman, Nadia Foslu, Natasha Horak, Nina Cressy, Rovern Campbell, Rihanna Fentonder, Sasanda Zilwana, Saviwe Kachoka, Sonia Myberg, Tanya Becker, Taryn LaRue, Tony LaRue, Wiley Warner, Zelner Blanche. Thank you. Thank you for all the hard work you put in on a daily basis. Thank you for every moment that you support me and you support Protea. And thank you for everything you do for our clients. I appreciate every single one of you. I look forward to celebrating the rest of March. And until next time, be kind. Goodbye.